Hi, so for the challenge, we decided to do the Intel challenge. We created the AquaManager monitoring system. So for our objective was to route water to the best stage in semiconductor manufacturing. This was to reduce waste and improve efficiency. We chose the default thresholds for temperature based on a lot of research.
So here you can see our initial concepts, and some of the reasons that we didn't choose these is that it required more motors than we had, and we also were having struggles with a turbidity sensor.
Our finalized concept is a machine that takes in input from an input tank and then sends it to one of three output tanks based on the conditions of the water. It checks the water's temperature and its purity, and based on this, it sends it to the correct output tank. So an application of this process in actual semiconductor manufacturing would be to take the water used from wafer rinsing, filter this water, and reuse it for other earlier rinse stages.
So we decided to model the tank using CAD and decided to 3D print it. The tank consists of three parts. The tank has one hole that will be used to drop water, a piece we call Pac-Man, which will be connected to a stepper motor, which allows the ramp to only be put in the correct filtered water. So here's a video of Pac-Man fully functioning with the stepper motor.
For the electronics, we used an Arduino Uno R3 and controlled various peripherals and sensors with it.
So for the code breakdown, the initial values displayed on the LCD are the thresholds that we found through research, but with the joystick, the user can adjust those. And then that value is then passed into our main functions that determine if the water is clean or dirty.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me.
We are very thankful that we got the opportunity to work and create this project, and we really hope you enjoyed what we decided to make.